In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 crystals that you can keep in your bedroom to enhance energy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello. If you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. I'm sounding extra nasally today because I'm getting over a cold, and whenever I get a cold, I get extremely nasally, more so than I usually am, so just bear with me. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 crystals that you must have in your bedroom because it just brings so much beautiful energy into your life. Before we get into the crystals, all of these crystals you can keep in your bedroom whether you're single or you're in a relationship. Keep in mind that every crystal carries a different kind of energy, and I will describe to you each energy in this video. Another thing to keep in mind is that when you go on about your day, you go to work, you go run your errands, get groceries, go to the post office, wherever you need to go, whatever you need to do, and then you come back home, you can sometimes absorb other people's energy. If you go to the grocery store and you bump into anybody, you could potentially absorb some of their energy, whether they're in a good energy or a bad energy. We don't know. This is a huge reason that it's such a good idea to keep crystals in your bedroom, so that when you come home from work, a lot of the times we come home from work, we go to our bedroom for a little bit, but we don't actually go into our bedroom until we're ready to sleep. So we go into the kitchen, the backyard, the living room, you know, we cook the dinner, watch the TV, spend the time with the family, whatever we need to do, and then we retreat to our bedroom. And our bedroom should be our sanctuary. That's why it's so important, at least for me, to keep these crystals in my bedroom so that when I do head to bed at the end of the day, I know that these crystals are going to recharge, cleanse, and rejuvenate my energy and get it ready for the next day. Blank slate. I don't need to carry on the energies of the previous day, anything that I might have absorbed, whatever. Now, you can keep these crystals underneath your mattress, you can keep them underneath your bed, you can keep them in a little cute tray on your bedpost, your side tables, or your dresser. You can keep them in a little baggie and tie them around the bottom of your bed, like the bedpost. There's so many different ways to use the crystals. If you guys are interested in like powdered crystals, you can sprinkle the powdered crystals around your bed. I have those available on my store. I have powdered and crushed crystals where you just sprinkle it around your bed if you don't want to actually keep the crystal underneath your mattress or in your room. Number 1 is the rose quartz. Everybody should have a rose quartz crystal in the bedroom. This is a stone of unconditional love. It's the stone that helps to heal love, attract love, strengthen, and protect the love in your life. Whether you're single or you're in a relationship, this is an amazing crystal to have in your bedroom, because if you're single, it will help you attract love. If you're single, it will help you heal the blocks that you have against love coming into your life. And if you're in a relationship, it strengthens and protects the love that you already have. It enhances it. Now, if you want to get deeper into this and you want to get into the feng shui of like where to put the rose quartz crystal, let me give you guys a really cool trick. So if you stand in your doorway to your bedroom and you look at the back right of your bedroom, that is where you should put your rose quartz to enhance and bring good luck in your love life. If you guys don't want to keep the crystal in your room, you guys can get my powdered version, where you just take a little bit of the powder and you sprinkle it all over your bedroom in the specific area where you need to sprinkle it. Crystal number 2 that you should keep in your bedroom is a labradorite crystal. So this is a crystal I feel like nobody should ever underestimate the power of this crystal. This is the crystal of magic. It is known as the crystal that brings coincidence and synchronicity into your life. What does this mean? This means that if you have a thought, this crystal arranges the energies of the universe, people, situations, energies, circumstances, and opportunities, and it shifts things in a way that works in your favor. People, opportunities, jobs, like your wishes, your manifestations come to you in this way where it comes in like coincidence and synchronicity. Labradorite kind of opens the way, and not just does it open the roads, but it shifts and moves energy where it needs to be shifted and moved so that you can attract what you want to attract. So when you're in your bedroom at the end of the day, you fall asleep, this is the best energy to fall asleep with, because when you wake up with this energy of like synchronicity. Like wherever you head out in the next 24 hours, it's like you're just going to bam, 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 just attract and manifest the things that you need. The roads are open, your chakras are cleared. It's an amazing stone to have with you in your bedroom. It's a manifestation crystal. This is a crystal that adds a lot of fun and spontaneous energy back into your life. It removes a lot of dull, stagnant, and boring energy. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a secret, and you guys might already know this if you guys follow me on my channel. I'm getting like really nasally right now, if you guys can hear me. I'm getting over a cold, so from time to time I get super nasally, and then my nose will clear up, and then it'll get super nasally, and then it'll clear up. It's just a mess, but I wanted to film this for you guys, so bear with me. But this is my favorite crystal. If you guys have been following me on my channel, I always have a labradorite crystal either on me, with me, in my bedroom, in my kitchen, everywhere. I have it in my car. I wear it as a bracelet. I wear it as a necklace. I love this stone, and the reason I love this stone is because like I will never love anything unless I know it benefits me. I'm just gonna be truly honest with you guys. So I've experienced the benefits of this crystal in my life, more so than any other crystal. And that is something that I feel like every individual experiences for themselves. Like you guys will be drawn to a specific crystal, and it will change your life in a way that it will not change mine. And that's because your energy is different than mine. But I'm just here to share with you guys that if you guys want to try a crystal, I would recommend always labradorite, just because of the things that I experienced in my own life with it. That's the one I would recommend more. Maybe for you guys it would be different. Like you guys could be drawn to a different crystal that made changes in your life in a way where it wouldn't make in my life. So each crystal is like different for every individual, if that makes sense. The third crystal that you should keep in your bedroom is a black obsidian crystal. So here I have one that is like a pointed tip. Actually, this is available on my store. What I like to do with my crystals is I like to infuse them with herbs and an amulet. So this is available in my store. It might be sold out by now, I'm not sure. But I like to keep a black obsidian crystal in my bedroom because it removes negative energy. So do you remember how we talked about when we go out of our house throughout the day, even if we work from home throughout the day, we could absorb different kinds of energies from different kinds of people and experiences, and workloads even. We can experience emotions based off of our workload. So whatever the case may be, this helps to remove any dull, stagnant, negative, stressed out, worried energies that we accumulate throughout the day. It also cleanses your aura. It helps to heal negative thoughts and emotions. It also helps to dissolve emotional blocks. So this is a really good stone for you to have in your bedroom, especially when you go to sleep at night, when you're just like surrendering to the universe, unconscious, sleeping. You want to just protect your energy and your aura from anything around you. Okay, the fourth crystal I want to share with you guys is the selenite wand. So here I have a raw selenite wand, and this is my favorite crystal to keep with me at nighttime, and here's why. Because this is a crystal that never ever needs cleansing. It cleanses itself, and it also cleanses anything it touches and anything you put it around and any room that you put it in. So you want to keep this crystal in your bedroom, and every night before I go to sleep, at least when I remember, I love to take my selenite crystal and do a selenite cleansing ritual on myself before I go to bed. The selenite crystal cleansing ritual takes less than probably 20 seconds to do. I actually have a video on how you can do it. I'll link it down below. But just to give you a really quick version of it, basically you want to take your crystal, however big it is, if it's a wand, whatever it may be, but it has to be selenite, and you just want to rub it all over your body, all over, like your forehead, all your chakras, your throat, like just everywhere, and you will feel like, just doing it right now, you could feel it. Like you could feel the difference in your body. You could feel a tingling sensation. I'm getting super nasally. I'm just getting over a cold, so if you guys hear that, I'm sorry. But this is a very powerful crystal to cleanse yourself of any energies that you may have accumulated throughout the day. You, like for me at least, you literally feel it. Like you can feel the energy. I don't even know how to explain it. It's like you can feel that the selenite takes that energy out of you that doesn't belong there, like a magnet, like it sucks it out of you, and then you're just clear and free and just in mental clarity. Like that's what I can explain it as. This is a really, really good crystal to keep around you in your bedroom, and right before you go to sleep, just do that really quick cleansing ritual. It raises your vibration and it also calms your energy. And number 5, you always want to have an amethyst crystal in your bedroom. This crystal is amazing to help you sleep, to get rid of nightmares, to calm and soothe your energy, to balance and ground your energy. It gives you mental clarity. This is a crystal that is huge for calming anxious thoughts, anxiety, overactive thinking, overactive thoughts, worry, stress, depression, like all of those kinds of things. Amethyst is the stone to go to. It's very, very good in calming a chaotic mind. Not only that, but it attracts a lot of positive energy. So this is a must-have in your bedroom. So those are 5 crystals that you should keep in your bedroom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want another kind of video having to do with crystals, leave me comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I would love to create videos that you guys want to see, like more of what you guys want to see. If you guys are interested in any of these crystals, I do have them in my store, so head over. I do have the link in my description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.